Welcome back, friends, to day number 19 of our Craft with Me. My name is Wendy. I am with Cannin Plannin, and we only have 10 days left of our crafting after today. So I'm excited to be jumping in with you guys today. I wanted to go back to our paw print card because they're absolutely adorable kit, and there's so many fun things that you could do with them. So let's take a look what I have in store for you guys today. All right, you guys. Here we are back with our paw print. Hopefully my computer cooperates with me today. We'll see. It has its moments. We are using our card kit for the paw prints, and it comes with, of course, the card envelopes, the base, all the things. And we're going to dive into making a landscape card. And we're actually going to cut the base of our card kit, of our card base. We're going to cut it at 1.5 inches. So I'm going to cut off 1.5 inches from one side, and I'm wanting it to be the front side, obviously. So we're going to use this, save that for later because we can always utilize it. And then, so now we have a card base that has a little bit of a piece cut out in the front. We're going to do the same thing with this. We're going to cut it at 1.5 inches because it already has the border piece on it, right? All right. So this is what we are looking at for what we're going to create. And this one is very, very simple to do. And I don't know what's going on with my computer. It's having issues. There we go. All right. We are going to attach the polka dots first and all the way around. This is our double-sided paper, right? It has 2 sides, and every single paper in our card kits does that, which is great. So we're going to attach this at the bottom. Excuse me, this is the top of the card, not the bottom of the card. I was thinking about what I'm going to do with this piece. And then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to attach this on the bottom. I got ahead of my directions, my oratory directions got ahead of my physical directions. So we're going to attach this piece at the bottom, again, leaving that nice little border. And I'm going to use a piece of washi tape. Again, we do have paw print washi tape. I do not currently have any with me, so I'm going to just use this. But I'm going to make a definite border here and grab a random stencil that I have laying here. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the front piece. I'm going to make a definite border. Come on. Definite border. But still keep the border. And on the other side. And while I have the washi tape out, let's just do the envelope too, because I already have it out. So rather than fighting with it twice, I'll just fight with it once. Save time, friends, save time. It's called task batching. And we are task batching with our washi tape today. Okay, I already have that done, so we're going to take that off there. On the inside, I'm going to add my sentiment, and I want to do, let's do "You Are Awesome." We're going to do it on the inside, like so. Get it as straight as possible. And then on the outside, we're going to take our die cut. And I love these die cuts because they're big and bulky, and they take up a lot of space, and you don't have to worry about how to decorate it so much. So I'm going to grab some dimensions, and we're only going to do it on the top half of the card. So I'm going to just lay this out here so that I can kind of see where I can attach my stickers so that they have the most effect, obviously. And there. And then we're going to peel off this part. And right there at the E is where I have my bottom one. So I'm just going to attach it like so. Make sure that I got it all the way on there. Ooh, just barely. Just barely. And then I'm going to use my glue dots to attach a bow. And I'm going to put the bow right in the middle of the little paw print. Right like so. Ta-da! the last thing that we're going to do is I'm going to take my envelope and I'm going to add this sticker on here. Like so. And there is our card for the day. Super cute, you guys. Thank you for joining me for day number 19. Again, 10 days left. Come back and join me for day number 20 tomorrow. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, friends.